Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Let me just set up here. Okay, hello there. Welcome to my Thursday Tea Time with Sydney. Today our topic is all about sleep. Before we start, here's my tea I'm sharing with you today. So I'm drinking mugwort tea. Mugwort tea is a uterus tonic and helps with my period flow. I take this one day before my period to ease cramping. It is also a liver tonic and help with circulation and help with sleep. So I use about 1 teaspoon with 8 ounces of hot water, steep and drink. Sometimes I add honey or just, let me just check something here, or just drink it plainly. So let's talk about sleep. Insomnia is a common sleep problem that makes it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Especially right now, during this shelter-in-place regulation, most of us are still trying to find our new schedule with work, with eating time, with sleep, and more. So having insomnia really prevents us from getting the 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night that is recommended. I know in late March, I had some problems sleeping as we were just told to shut down. And during this time, I had a short period of insomnia, but once I set my new routine, then sleep was better. So some of you have short periods of insomnia for a few days like I did, or 1 to 2 weeks, or some of you have insomnia for months at a time. So if you have long-term sleep problem, please discuss it with your physician and to see if there are other underlying conditions that might be going on. So no matter how often you have insomnia, acupressure can provide some relief, and we're going to look at that today. So acupressure involves using physical touch to stimulate the pressure points that are connected to the different pathways of the physical and mental aspect of the body. Unlike acupuncture where I use needles, acupressure you use your hands or some tools. So you can try stimulating pressure points on your own, and here are 5 acupressure points you can try to help you sleep. So the first one is called Heart 7. Heart 7 is called Shenmen or Spirit Gate. So the Spirit Gate point is located at the crease of your outer wrist, below your pinky finger. So if you hold your pinky finger, it's right here. So this point is good for insomnia. So you can feel like a small hollow space in this area and apply gentle pressure in a circular or up and down motion. So you can continue for about 2 to 3 minutes. Hold the right side of the point with gentle pressure for a few seconds, and then you switch it to the other side. So make sure you do the same area both sides. Stimulating this pressure point can help to quiet your mind, which will help you fall asleep. It's called Spleen 6. Here we go. So Spleen 6 is called 3-yin intersection or 3yin jiao. The 3-yin intersection point is located on the inner leg, just above the ankle. So locate the highest point of your ankle, like in the picture. Count 4 finger widths up your leg above your ankle. Apply deep pressure slightly behind the biggest lower leg bone, which is the tibia, and massage with circular or up and down motion. So again, you do this for 1 to 2 minutes, right side and then left side. In addition to helping with insomnia, this point also helps with pelvic disorders and menstrual cramps. That's why we have the tea today too. So don't use this point if you are pregnant, as it is also associated with inducing labor. Next point we want to look at is kidney 1. So it's also called public spring or yongqian. This point is located at the sole of your feet. It's a small depression that appears just above the middle of your foot when you curl your toes inward. So you can find this point lying down or sit cross-legged and then with bent knees. Reach towards your feet and then press it with your thumbs. So take one foot in your hand and curl your toes, and then you can feel for the depression on the sole of your foot. Apply firm pressure and massage this point for a few minutes using a circular or up and down motion. So stimulating this point also can help to ground your energy and induce sleep. Next point we want to look at is PC6 or pericardium 6. So it's an inner frontier gate, which is also called neck 1. It's found on the inner forearm between two tendons. So turn your hands over so that your palms are facing up. Take one hand and count 3 finger widths down your wrist crease. So you can apply a steady downward pressure between the two tendons in this location. Use a circular or up and down motion to massage this area for 1 to 2 minutes. Do the right hand and then the left hand. So in addition with helping with sleep, this point is also help to soothe nausea, stomach pain, and headache. Next point we want to look at is GB20. Weed pool, or called feng ci. This point is located at the back of your neck. You can find it by feeling for the mastoid bone behind your ears and following the groove around where your neck muscles attach to your scalp. So you can clasp your hands together when you do this and gently open your palms with your fingers interlocked to form a cup shape. So here you can find the point here. So use the thumbs to massage this point. When you apply acupressure point on this location, try to relax and breathe deeply as you massage this area. Stimulating this pressure point can help to reduce the respiratory symptoms such as coughing, reduce stress, and calm the mind. So acupuncture has been around for thousands of years and many research has been done, but acupuncture only recently started to get more attention. Although studies for acupressure and sleep are small, their results are promising. There's a study in 2010 involving 24 adults in long-term care facility who had trouble sleeping. So their sleep quality improved after 5 weeks of acupressure treatment, and the benefit lasted up to 2 weeks after they stopped receiving the treatment. There's also a study here in 2011 showing postmenopause women who had insomnia who also had similar results after 4 weeks of treatment. So some promising but small studies done. So what we know is that there is no evidence that acupressure decreases sleep quality, so it's certainly worth trying. So do this 20 minutes before you go to bed every night and help to have better sleep. So before I move on, the 5 points, let's do a summary. So we have the first one, heart 7. Then we have spleen 6. And then we have the kidney point at the bottom of the feet. We have the pericardium point, which is in the middle of the two tendons between the wrists. And then the last one we have is GB20, which is the wind point here. So 5 points that you can do every night. If you'd like more information about how to do acupressure, I have a workshop that's coming up on managing stress during uncertain times. I will post a link here so you can check it out. So managing stress during uncertain times is actually on my webinar. And if you like what you've learned today about the 5 points to help you sleep, please This workshop is really good to manage stress right now, and also it's free. It's a half an hour workshop and you can use it for yourself or your family or your little ones. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to always post some comments on the comments below. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.